Looking for the best welder plasma cutter combo in 2026? Don't waste your money on the wrong machine. Today, we're reviewing 3 powerful all-in-one welders that can cut, weld, and save you hundreds of dollars. Stay until the end to discover which one delivers the best value for your workshop. Number 1. FEMEROL Gasless Welding Machine. The FEMEROL Gasless Welding Machine is a beginner-friendly option designed for DIY users and home workshops. It offers multiple welding functions and a compact design, and is easy to set up without requiring shielding gas. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, compact and portable, affordable price, gasless welding capability. Cons: not ideal for heavy industrial work, limited power compared to premium models. Customer reviews: customers appreciate its easy setup and smooth operation for home projects. Many users mention that it provides excellent value for the price and works well for light to medium-duty welding jobs. Number 2. YESWELDER MCT 520 Multifunctional Welder Plasma Cutter. The YESWELDER MCT 520 is one of the most versatile machines on this list. It combines plasma cutting, TIG welding, stick welding, and more into one powerful unit. This machine is designed for hobbyists, mechanics, and professional fabricators looking for flexibility. Pros: multiple welding and cutting functions, strong cutting performance, user-friendly digital controls, excellent versatility. Cons: slight learning curve for beginners, higher price than entry-level models. Customer reviews: buyers frequently praise its performance and versatility. Many customers report clean plasma cuts and reliable welding results across various metal types, making it a popular all-in-one solution.
Number 3. ANDELI MCT 416P Multi-Process Welder Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI MCT 416P is a feature-rich machine built for users who want advanced capabilities. It supports multiple welding processes and delivers impressive cutting power while maintaining a relatively compact footprint. Pros: advanced multi-process functionality, powerful plasma cutting performance, suitable for aluminum and various metals, professional-grade features. Cons: premium price point, may offer more features than casual users need. Customer reviews: customers often highlight its solid build quality and professional results. Users appreciate the machine's versatility and report smooth performance on both welding and plasma cutting tasks. If you're on a budget, the FEMEROL is a great choice. If you want the best balance of performance and versatility, the YESWELDER MCT 520 stands out as the overall winner. For advanced users and professionals, the ANDELI MCT 416P offers premium features and excellent capability. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you find the best welder plasma cutter combo, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. For more honest product reviews and buying guides, visit and subscribe to Global Product Scout. See you in the next video.